Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance and Bully Dog. We're going to be showing you how to use vehicle functions on your tuning device. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. We'll power up the device, and then in the bottom right we'll choose vehicle functions. You can see here, read DTC fault codes is the first option, clear DTC codes, and then the third option is special functions. Read DTC codes, you'll want to click on it and it'll prompt you to turn the key on. So after turning the key on, it's going to read any fault codes your ECU may have or may not have. So you can see our vehicle does not have any active fault codes, so it says no codes found. If your vehicle did have active fault codes, it'll actually tell you what the fault code is. So the second option is clear DTC codes. So we'll want to choose that if you'd like to clear your DTC codes. So it's kind of the same process. You click on it and key on and clear the codes. Then lastly, we have special functions. If you click on that, we have cam reset and crank relearn under there. So the cam reset is the keep alive memory reset. This is often used when you're calibrating a vehicle, and a good example would be dialing in your fueling or your fuel trims, adjusting your math curve maybe. So when you make adjustments and flash the calibration, you may want the keep alive memory erased, so you're starting fresh with good fresh data from that latest calibration. So that's when the cam reset is often used. And then after that we have the crank relearn. So crank relearn, is often used when, let's say you install a new engine in the vehicle, or you heavily modify a vehicle, change camshafts, timing gears, oil pump gears, things of that nature. It's smart to do a crank relearn. And that is all for vehicle functions.